Car 3, engine 2, engine 3, tower 1, first alarm assignment, structure fire, 52. First alarm assignment, structure fire, 52 Fresh Holes Road, cross street at Aylmer Road.
Car 3 is on. Do you have an address?
5252 Fresh Holes Road. There's an issue with Red MX going in now.
Report on the scene.
Firm. Everyone's out of the house. So starting on the back side of the house now. Tower 1 responding 52 Fresh Holes Road. Car 2 responding 52 Fresh Holes. Engine 3 on 52 Fresh Holes.
Engine 2 at Tower 1, why don't you take the front of the cul-de-sac. Engine 3, stand by on the hydrant in front of 27.
Car 3 from Engine 2, can you go ahead with that message again, please?
Take the front of the property with the tower. Engine 3 can stand by at the hydrant in front of 27. Well, ambulance 1's en route.
Ambulance 1 route.
Final car 3.
Car 3.
Side A, 50 and 52, threshold. Give me a single story wood frame duplex. Nothing showing from side A. You're doing 360. Car 3 will have come in.
Car 3 on location. Nothing showing to 360 up command. Engine 2 on location.
Engine 2 align to the back of the building, please. Tower 1 from command. Good. Everyone's reported out, but you get a primary done on 50 and 52, please. Fire on from command.
Answering command.
Exterior fire in the rear of 52. Fire has been knocked down by the homeowner prior to our arrival. Be checking for any extension. How are we doing primary?
See fire extinguished by homeowners prior to arrival.
Engine 3 from command. Engine 3 answers. You can leave your truck and operator on the hydrant. You can bring your rescue crew up here, please. Tracy. Command from Tower 1. Go ahead. Primary. Tower 1, can you repeat? Primary search negative. Alright, that's for 50 and 52. We're working on 50 now. 52 is negative. Okay, thanks. Final ambulance 1's at the hospital, 1 mile.
That's one hospital.
Command Tower 1, apartment 52, negative on the primary. Rescue 52 is negative. 2 command.
Engine 2.
I have an update, please.
No active fire. We're just letting down the exterior. If we can get power secured, we can start pulling some of that.
Proceed, so it looks like there could be any extension in the interior.
Negative, it looks pretty superficial.
Proceed. No command.
Engine, come in.
Fire's knocked down. It appears we kept it to the outside. Power did complete a primary in both units. Both were negative. We're going to continue to check for extension. We'll be all set with 2 and 1 on scene.
Fire's knocked down. Investigating for extension. Also with 1 on scene.
Command Tower 1, gas is secured to the building. Proceed. If you can work on electric for both of those, that'd be great too.
Come up under it and out. Little light, every time I'm on the first, I end up like way through it. You let it go. Check it out. It's a little $30 cheap light. Sometimes the best.
Command Tower 1, power secured to both apartments. Randy, if you can link up with engine 2, work on check for extension on the ring.
Hey. ¿Todos están bien?
Sí.
Qué bueno.
Gracias. Sí.
Hola, chiquita. La pobrecita, muy frío, ¿eh?